इतना
तो यार
ये जो है भोपाल जिसे नवाब की as a family we are going, we have kids, so we might take 2 or 3 breaks, so that might go till 7 p.m. Hope so we'll try to make it by 6 p.m. but everything will be within things, no hush things, as we have time. We were supposed to start at 5 p.m. but plan was different and we started at 7:30, so let's see. जय महाकाल, हर हर महादेव. Would be leaving ORR now, exit 6 to NH44. So we'll stop for breakfast once we are out of the ORR, as we haven't eaten anything once we got up early in the morning. Catch you after breakfast. So as you can see, like, we have reached the ORR exit. Bit a tricky exit, this one. You have to be very sure and you have to follow the map where we are going, where we are exiting, or else bingo. Guys, we are done with our breakfast. We have started our onward journey. So you can see a bit of traffic and in NH44 in the city, because the highway has been reconstructed, it's been relayered, the bridges have been made. Currently it's showing a smooth running traffic. Let's hope it's continue like that. So guys, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, हम NH44 में क्रूज़ कर रहे. नज़ारा देखिए, वादियाँ देखिए. वादियाँ तो नहीं है बट नज़ारे देखिए, हाईवे देखिए, वेल मेंटेन्ड है. हाँ, थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आई सिटी में जहाँ पे हाईवे का काम चल रहा है, बट ओवरऑल vehicle is cruising at 80-90 to see the beauty, the way the highway is maintained, the forestation that has been done. A lot of people have this complaint due to development, deforestation is happening. But the way NHAI has taken up the reforestation of the highways, it's commendable. You can see how the trees has been planted, and it's all gulmohar trees with their red flower.
कौन सा?
Guys, we just crossed Bhiknur toll gate. I don't know, some system malfunction or something. The tolls were closed for almost 5 minutes. We were waiting at the toll gate for 5 minutes. But then they started the reserve toll lanes to free up the traffic. So now we are onward toward Nizamabad. So meet you at Nizamabad. So guys, we have reached Kamareddy. We are just crossing Kamareddy. Weather is very pleasant. It looks like morning. It rained this side. Now we just heard like it's raining very heavily in Hyderabad. So luckily, like, we left and the rain came. But here we can see, like, it was raining heavily in the morning. So you can see the roads, the highway NH44. It's dream to drive. But as I said, like, driving sensibly, taking care of your loved ones, and driving sensibly is one of the things you should keep in mind when you are going out for the road trips. So there are few patches where there are signs, accident prone areas, all these things which we have to be alert for that, and would advise you to slow down your vehicles irrespective of how late you are getting, because it's something we have to follow. If we don't follow the rules, then who will follow? We want everything good. So government is giving us good highways, good roads, good infrastructure, but how we maintain, how we follow, how we utilize that infrastructure in a sensible way, it's in all us. So let's meet up again once we cross Kamareddy and once we reach Adilabad. Guys, you can see we have entered the forest area. So look at the highways and the surrounding nature. It's like actually the lifestyle which we should be expecting, which we are not getting. This is how it should be. Welcome to Nizamabad district. So we have reached Nizamabad. Welcome with the lush green forest, wildlife, which is something which we miss in our city life. It's good. First time we are doing this blogging things. We don't have the experience, but here we are trying to explore the area, try to pass on as much information as we can. The pros and cons, do's and don'ts, spots where you need to be extra careful. So please bear with us. We will improve as we start our vlogging and we get an experience on those things. Guys, we are on the way to Adilabad. So you can see the surroundings, how the demography is changing. A bit of lush green and a little bit of inhabitants, all these things. Bikers just crisscrossed us. It reminded me my old life, a biker's life, which I am living now with my family, touring in my car. So guys, now silent vlogging. Let me drive and you guys enjoy the surrounding, the demography, the nature. Godavari. So we are crossing Godavari. Water, I think. crossing Gamjul toll plaza, which is around 90 kilometers to Adilabad. Not sure how many toll plazas are there. This was the fifth one which we crossed, but it's worth paying the tolls because the highways are maintained and the roads are very good. Guys, you can see like we have entered the ghat section, the forest section of Adilabad. Approaching the main ghat area. Bit of truck movement here, but still the road is not that busy. You can cruise at 80-90. Beware of the speed cameras which are fitted throughout the highway, so ensure you reduce your speed below 80 on those spots or you will be fined. It's time for lunch, so we are searching veg restaurant since we are vegetarians. Hope so we get a good veg restaurant. I know like here people are more vegetarian, non-vegetarians, so just hoping for some good veg restaurants on the way so that we can have our food, or else we are carrying snacks from home. We have to eat it and we have to survive till we reach Nagpur.
क्यों कहलु हाँ सियाड़े जाऊचु
So guys, still continue inside the forest. The ghat section got over. We're climbing down from the ghat now. We forgot to take few video of trucks like which were struggling to climb the ghat, except Tata trucks. They are very quick and we're climbing the ghats easily with their all loads. But other trucks were facing bit of issues and they were taking all caution to climb the ghat because it's very bad if the trucks get stuck in the ghat and then you have to start it from the ground. So we'll cut short the vlog now, directly meet you at Adilabad when we stop for lunch. lost Adilabad, we had a good Rajasthani dhaba, pure veg. Sharma ji ka dhaba, pure veg and good dhaba. Food was good. We ordered urad dal and one kadai paneer, which was superb. Like, it's much better than the food that we eat in hotel. A good hotel. Roti, and like once we left the restaurant, the dhaba, you can see the rain god was very happy, so he showed his blessing on us for our tours. So you can see, like, it's raining. It has actually stopped, but when it started it was so heavy we have to stop the vehicle for some time. It's better to wait rather than like driving in bad weather. So now we have started, it's not that much raining, so hope so we'll reach Nagpur by 6 p.m. our first halt, and tomorrow morning we'll start for Bhopal. In thunderstorm, heavy rain, we wasted 1 hour in searching hotel in nearby area. We are still 120 kilometers away from Nagpur, so we are trying to see, like, as we have 2 kids with us, so we are trying to see if we can hold back in this area prior to Yavatmal thing. But then we decided, it's raining but the road is good, so we decided we will continue with our journey to Nagpur. So a little bit of better climate now, so let's see how things goes. The nature is it's playing like hide and seek. Like, sometimes it's very good, sometimes it's very rainy, but yeah, we are continuing. It's bit tough. We thought of risk when we took a decision that we will hold back in this area, the Pandarkarwada and Karanji area. So we thought, like, it's better to move to Nagpur rather than staying back here. So next big city will be Hingoli. So we'll see how the climate goes, and if required we will make a hold at Hingoli rather than going to Nagpur if the rain continues. Now it's not raining, but not sure, the skies are still not clear. It's 4:44 p.m. The time to Nagpur is 2 hours 23 minutes as per Google Baba. So not sure, like, how things will go, but yeah, currently we are enjoying the ride with concerns as well because of the kids, but we will manage. guys, we have entered Hingawat. Road condition is very bad because it's been concretized, so there are a lot of diversions.
Continue on National Highway 3478 for 11 kilometers.
अरे फ्लाईओवर था, आपने को लगा वो फ्लाईओवर बंद है ना, फ्लाईओवर के ऊपर entered Nagpur. 29 kilometers more to go to the hotel, which is near the airport.
So this is the and the room is
सो दोस्तों गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसे कि सुबह है, महाराष्ट्र में है, नागपुर में, और महाराष्ट्रियन ब्रेकफास्ट ना हो तो क्या मतलब है। सो वी हैड वड़ा पाव। सॉरी, वी आर नॉट एबल टू शो यू दी वड़ा पाव पार्ट। वी वेर लाइक craving for it, so we had finished it off. So now like it's the misal, Nagpur's famous misal pav. So I'll recommend Pohe Wale, from where we ordered the misal pav. So we are enjoying the breakfast. Once we start again, we will share our further vlogs. Thanks.